Hello everyone and welcome. In today's video we're going to be going over the basics of how to use Google Drive for storing and sharing your files. This is a question I've actually had quite a lot recently, so I decided to make a video. So without further ado, let's get started. Alright, so how do we get to Drive? Well, one of the ways to do this is if you're using Google Chrome, you can open your browser, come right up here to the top left and press Apps, and once you have done that, select Google Drive here, which I'm not going to do that because I'm going to use Microsoft Edge for this. So let's close this. In Edge or in any of your browsers, you can also do this. Open your browser, come up here to the search and search for Drive. Once you have done that, it will bring you to this. If this is your first time, it will show a page something like this, where all you have to do is press go to Drive or go to Google Drive here. It will take you to a sign-in where you can sign into your Google account. Google account being the same account that you use for Gmail or YouTube or any other app like that. Since I'm already signed in, it takes me to a page like this. Now, if it is your first time, you'll see something along these lines. A little document here will explain some of the other functionality of Google Drive other than what we're just going to go into today. So if you have any other questions, this might be helpful to you. It explains how Google Drive works with Google Slides, Google PDF, spreadsheets, and Word documents, and so on. But today we are going to focus on other things. So that is how to set up your Google Drive. Alright, so now that we have set that up, let's get on to uploading files. So the easiest thing to do is just to open your files. I have a couple pictures here and a document. Now, all you have to do is select all these, drag and drop them in. And once you have done that, which I did not drop them into the proper area, make sure you drop them into the spot that is blue here. As you can see, it will show drop files to instantly upload them to my drive. So once you do that, now we'll start the upload process. Okay, so the upload is complete. I now have uploaded all of my files to Google Drive, so we can close this here. And as you can see, they're all here. Now, as you can also see, I uploaded some pictures and a text document. And right now is a time for a quick tip. Alright, so quick tip. If you are going to be sharing videos and you're not so concerned about the quality, I would actually recommend uploading to YouTube. Now, when I say not so worried about the quality, I mean for downloading later. More about that in a second. But if you're wanting to share the videos, the reason I recommend YouTube is because YouTube, unlike Google Documents or Google Drive, excuse me, does not have a file limit. Google Drive only allows you to have 15 gigs for free. YouTube is unlimited. So if you'd like to share your videos like that, all you have to do is go here to upload. Once it starts, then drag your files in here, or you can click here. It will open a window like so, and you can select the file that you'd like. From there, it will start uploading, and you can either have it as public, which this will share your video publicly on YouTube. Anybody can find it. Unlisted is good for sharing though, and not having it viewable to the public. Private is where only you can see it, or scheduled. That's for if you have a YouTube channel. This is the only downfalls to this is when I have tried downloading it again, it may not download in the same format that you uploaded in. It will download in an MP4 format from what I remember, and also I do not recall having an option to download at any higher resolution than 720p, which is still HD. However, it's not full HD. Your results may vary, but if you're not so concerned about the quality, then I definitely recommend this. Alright, so now that you've seen that, let's get back to what we were talking about. So, if you'd like to view your pictures, you can just simply double left click on them and it will allow you to view them like so. Then you come over to the other one, like so. This is recent. This is from a recent mission trip. You can check out Camp Kalakwa if you'd like to know more about this. Anyway, you can also view your text documents, which is this is text document here, as you can see. You can see that. I don't think you can. You can also edit them by opening them with Google Docs, but we're not going to talk about that today. So. This is great, but you want them organized. So one of the ways to do this is you can, in this blank spot right here, or over here, if you click New right here, you can add a new folder. Or if you click in a right-click in a blank spot, like so, it will have a drop-down menu that will come up, and you can create a folder. So we're going to call this folder Work. When it says created, all we have to do is drag this and drop this into Work. Now we can create another one by going like so, call it Pics, and we can select all of these. All you have to do to select multiple is left click on one, single left click, press and hold Shift, and then single left click on the last picture that you want, and it'll select all the ones in between. Now as you can see, they're all selected. All you have to do is left click, drag, and drop into the folder that you want. Now they are all organized. This also makes it easier for the next thing that we're going to talk about, which is sharing. So let's get on to that. All right, so now you want to share your files or pictures or whatever it may be. Now the easiest thing to do if you want to share multiples of these is right click on the folder that you'd like to share that all your pictures are in. So like you can see, all the pictures are in the Pics folder. So right click on the Pics folder and go to Share. Now this will allow you to share this to an email address. Now this is great, but it also has some other things. You can once you enter the email address, you can also allow them to edit these pictures. So this allows them to add pictures to the folder if they'd like to. If they'd like to reorganize them so they can add other folders into that, they can add pictures, they can add documents, whatever it is, they can edit that just like you can. If you'd like it to be view only, you can do that, where all they can do is see and download the pictures or documents that are in there. This works best if the person you're sending this to has a Gmail account. However, you can send it to someone that has Hotmail or Yahoo or any other email address. They just may not have certain functionalities, like they may not be able to edit those pictures, but it will still allow them to see it. If you'd like to get a single link that you can share without having to enter your email address, all you have to do is click up here, Get Shareable Link. This will open a this window here instead, and you can all you have to do is press copy on this. Now you can send this as a text in an email or anything like that, and add more to your email. This is what I personally prefer to do, just send that and then open, like an email client and paste that in there. You can also change if they can view and edit from here as well. I'm not sure if, there we go. Okay, as you can see it there. Okay, so now that we have that done, I think that is about the end of this part as well. Alright, so someone has shared a document or picture with you. Now you can view this document and you can download it by going up here and downloading, but I kind of want to save it to my Google Drive. So instead of downloading it and then re-uploading it, all you have to do is go right over here to this Add to My Drive. Now, it is now in your Google Drive. Now you can organize it by going here, but we're just going to go here, and then we can also move this to Pictures. Moving this item, everyone shared it. Okay. So now you can go in here and you can see it. However, keep in mind that if the person who originally shared this with you deletes it from their Google Drive account, then it also gets deleted from here. So keep that in mind when you are saving things like this. Alright, so I think this pretty much covers everything. I hope that this has been helpful, and I will see you all next time. Thank you for watching. If you liked this video or found it entertaining, don't forget to hit that like button. If you'd like to see more videos like this, then hit that subscribe button. Also, if you're into gaming, don't forget to check out my gaming channel, which you can find a link to in the video description. And once again, thank you all for watching and see you all next time. Bye!